The Cat and the Bird Story. One day, a little bird was sitting on a tree, happily chirping and enjoying the morning sun. A sly cat spotted the bird and thought, that bird would make a delicious meal. The cat approached the tree and said sweetly, "Oh, little bird, your voice is so beautiful. Can you come closer so I can hear you better?" The bird was clever and knew the cat's intentions. It replied, "Thank you, but I can sing just fine from here. Besides, my mother taught to stay away from strangers." The cat, disappointed, tried again. "But I only want to be a friend. Why are you afraid of me?" The bird replied, "True friends don't trick each other. I know you want to eat me, not be my friend." The bird flew away to safety, leaving the hungry cat behind. Moral of the story: be wise and cautious. Not everyone who speaks sweetly has good intentions. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.